I mean, 25 minutes of battery is at least a third less than what you'd get on a traditional vacuum cleaner. It's a good 25 minutes. The thing's so maneuverable that you could probably get more done in that time.
We've waited long enough. I think it's time we find out what is going on with this suitcase. Didn't even think about how you get it open. Oh, yes. Okay.
Oh. Oh. What the hell? That is thick.
So it kind of doubles as a suitcase. To be honest, the rest of it looks enough like an explosive. Would you take this to an airport? I'm a little nervous to turn this thing on. Feels like you could pilot a World War II aircraft on this thing. If you can get past security. Korean music is so catchy. But that doesn't sound good at all. Oh, that's such a bummer. I mean, we can cut the company some slack. They literally made one unit of this. And it's been sitting on the store shelf for so long that it's probably 30% dust at this point. And it looks like someone's sat on the speaker cones. How was this still in the store? But some part of me did think we'd found something special here.